Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to make a landscape like this using PCG system trees, foliage, and inside of them we have a river. Okay, let's begin. Okay, first thing first, open the editor, games, select the person as template, select the project and rename it PCG landscape. Hit create. Now go to the content drawer, like here. Go add, let's go here to add starter bank. Go to content, starter content, add to project. After that, let's go here to the file, create a new level, set empty level, hit create. Go to the landscape, hit create. After that, go to the window, environment light mixer, create skylight, create directional light, sky atmosphere, volumetric fog, height fog, and finally let's go down here the volumetric fog. Let's go here to the selection mode, select the landscape, and let's go here to landscape material. Let's go here to starter font and material, select the material rust, and let's go here, add my material. Now let's save the level, save content level, map 01. Now let's go here to the edit, search for PCG, procedural content generation, select it. Now select it, search for water, click yes. Let's restart the engine. It's restarted. Close the plugin, return here to the content, map 01. Okay, after that let's go here and search for PCG graph, create empty graph, PCG landscape ls. Drag the PCG in this place. Okay, now let's go here to add fab marketplace, search for spruce forest, download this one, add to my project, add the project. Let's download some grass, more filter, set price to free, add to project, add to project, add to project. Now let's go here, the content drawer, open the PCG, drag it like here, and set save all, and let's begin the work. First thing first, we wanna get the landscape data. Go here, get landscape data. From this, let's drag surface simply. Before we start, we have to adjust parameter, point per square meter, 0.01. Loosen, make it 4. Transform point, For the mean offset, let's set -5 to 10. For the g-axis, for rotation 0 to 360 degrees, this one scheme minus 0.8 to 2. Let's add the bounds modifier. Drag this right now, and let's add static mesh spawner. In this static mesh spawner, we have to add our trees. Okay, in this mesh entries, let's choose 3 entries. Now let's go here to the content. Downloading is finished. Select meshes. Choose this static mesh filter from this. Press the first one and press shift. Select all of them. After that, let's enable the night. First one, let's go here. Search for. Go here, descriptor, static mesh, or you can search from this static mesh. Start and drag and drop the first one here. Choose another one. Let's choose this, and finally let's choose this. Save all, and let's go here. Okay, it's fine. Now let's adjust here the speed of the camera. It's taking some time to add the texture here. Go right here, make the PCG graphite. Okay, select this. Fine. Now press W, Alt, make the PCG graph like this, to make 2 PCG graphs. Okay, between them we have to add our river. Let's go here, search for water body river. Let's complete. It's good this place, but I want to make the river right here. Okay, select the river, make it up, drag this point right here. Now let's make it up. Okay, I think it's good. Now what we have to do, we have to add some foliage right here. Let's go here to the PCG, get landscape data, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's go here and add surface simpler. Once it's selected, set this one 1 per square meter, 5 for the all axis. Let's add transform points. This set related to 300 degrees. Okay, 0.8 to 1.5 for all the axes, and start spawn. Select this one and let's make 3 entries. Make here static. Let's add my entries. Let's go here to content drawer, content, mega scans, lentes. Select all of them. First one, final one, and press shift. Enable the night. Okay, choose this. Drag and drop here. Second one, drag and drop. Third one, drag and drop. And let's see. Taking some time to texturize. Okay, this simple tutorial is done. The foliage. Okay, and this is my river. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial. See you later in the next tutorial.